Hey, thanks for joining me today. I'm here by myself right now. Lisa may pop in later, but I'm off on a new adventure. The other night I got home from work and there was a package on the step, but I didn't remember ordering a package and it was addressed to me and not to Lisa. So I opened the package and look what I got. I was a little surprised. I'd looked at these a while back, and it's just a toy, so I wasn't sure that I really wanted to spend the money on it. And more recently I've been looking at earbuds and thought, well, when the package came I didn't know what it was. I thought perhaps I mistakenly punched purchase on some earbuds, but it was a big package, and of course this is much bigger than earbuds. So I had to go track that down. Some friends had very kindly gifted me with this virtual reality headset. But I'm looking online and this isn't even the cheaper version. So this is really kind of cool. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this. I'm not really a gamer. I really don't have time when I'm home, you know. I like to play Sudoku, things by myself, not go off on quests like Resident Evil. That's just really not me. So I'm probably not going to download that game. So I need to get this set up. We'll get started on that. And I'm hoping, I do see that it has some exercise programs, so that should be really useful, because I sit all day at a desk, so I can certainly use some exercise. Oh, I think this is the glasses spacer. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I was actually thinking, no, wait. This is the glasses spacer. It says right on it, glasses spacer. What do you know? This part goes around it to make it more comfortable. But if you have any good suggestions for apps, do comment below. I'd like some ideas of what to do with this. I think what really got me interested in it was one friend had said that he was taking like a virtual reality tour of somewhere, and I don't put this in concrete, I'm not sure. It was somewhere like the Sistine Chapel, and I thought, how cool would that be? So I hope to be able to find something to do that. Meanwhile, ouch. Yeah, I really don't need to do this with my glasses on. That's what the glasses spacer is for then. Okay, so I need to read the directions. I'm sure you don't want to read the directions with me, so I'll look at them and then get right back with you. Okay. Whoa! Oh, I should have a code up here. Oh, this is weird. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait for me. Hold on. I don't know how to turn this off, but it has a stream of light here. And I don't have my glasses on because I didn't put the spacer in yet. I do not know how to turn this on.
Well, Mom has started figuring out Metaquest 2. Did we figure out, is it 2?
Yeah.
So,
it's downloading updates. This may take several minutes.
Funny thing is, she started speaking louder.
You can remove your headset. Keep your headset charging.
It's really funny because we have no idea what you're seeing.
It's downloading updates, but it says I can take my headset off and charge it.
Yeah, and apparently
so that's what I'm going
you
to
figured out the glasses thing. It looks like you did. It looks like it's more comfortable.
Erg. Whew.
Oh.
Do I have a
So
red mark? I feel like I've got a big indentation.
you have a big indentation. Yeah, it doesn't look really
Ouch.
red, but...
Oh. Okay, so I'm going to go plug this in.
So what do you think so far?
That's kind of fun. I don't really know why I can't connect it to my phone, but I'll figure that out after a bit. A couple of days have passed since I started this. I did finally manage to get it connected to my phone. You know, if all else fails, read the directions, right? I plugged it in, got it fully charged, and then even though I was near my range extender, it still wasn't working. So I took it closer to the actual router, and that worked. Got it all set up. But then it was kind of late by the time that happened, and I'm here just home from work today. I haven't had time to look at it again. So I think the next thing I'm supposed to do is to set boundary. I'm sort of seeing things in duplicate and that doesn't seem quite right. I'm thinking these are all supposed to come together. This is like 3D glasses. Okay, yep. Create a Guardian boundary. Guardian is a Quest safety feature that helps you stay within your play area. The virtual boundary you create will appear in VR to alert you when you get close to it. So I do need to go and pick up the joystick, whatever it's called. Be right back. So these are actually marked right and left. So I need to be careful to pick the right one. Okay, then I need one of these. This is funny because I can't really see anything, but I can see where the joysticks are. And I can see the buttons on them. Whoops, but I've moved. Oh, confirm floor level. Yep, that looks good. Draw a room scale boundary. Okay. Point your controller at the floor, then press and hold the trigger button. Alright. My red carpet, whoops, sorry about that, I have to reach over you. This is not really going to be a good boundary, you understand, because you're in the middle of it, so obviously I'm on top of something. But my red carpet actually looks brown. Oh, I can switch to stationary boundary. Look around and make sure there's nothing you can hit with your arms and legs. Well, yeah, actually I could hit you, but I'm not going to do that. Stationary boundaries are only for when you're sitting or standing in one place, and I am. So I'm going to sit back just a tad where I can't actually hit you and confirm that. Whoa, here's a preview of the variety of experiences you can try on Quest 2. Oh my goodness! I'm out. I see some mountains in the background, and there's a mom and baby elephant just wandering by. Whoa, I'm underwater now, and there's a ray. You know, Steve Irwin died from one of these, and that's awfully close to me. Keep going. There's Metaquest TV. So there's one for travel and media and fitness. Whoops. I'm going to figure this out. Okay. Well, for fitness we can box, flow, meditate and recover. So I think we're going to pass on that for right now. reset your view. So this is going to just be fun experimenting with it. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. So really, if you have any recommendations, I would appreciate it. If you have any recommendations of things I can use this for, it's just an amazing experience. I didn't have any idea what it was like, and I do appreciate you joining me. So if you enjoyed it, if you give me a thumbs up, that would be awesome. And if you'll subscribe below, you'll get notified, and I guess you have to ring the bell, click the bell, whatever, to get notifications when we upload another video. Thanks again. I appreciate it. Have a great day, night, whatever you're watching this. Bye.